I think in particular the spiritual traditions or spiritual practices or teachings can try to put you on a path to quiet the mind or to have no mind. There's no path, there's no next, there's only this. You can't stop the thoughts. Thoughts just arise, but they're not your thoughts. They're nothing. A thought is literally just a phenomenon that appears within this. If there's no self to identify with that thought, it's got no grip, no weight. It's nothing. It is nothing.